leave me high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So
Hi you guys, it is the next day. I got home pretty late last night from the city and just went to bed, but I am now. I just got ready to go out and run some errands. Today is going to be a shopping day. I am super excited because I need some clothes, some stuff for my room. We're gonna go to Target, we're gonna go to the mall, and it should just be a really fun day, but I am running a little bit late. I just grabbed my bag, I just finished my makeup and changed, and we are going to hit the road, so let's go.
So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain.
Hi you guys, it's a lot later right now. It is 4:21 p.m. I just got back from shopping. We hit all the stores. I went to the mall, we went to Target, and I just picked up like a couple of things. I haven't done a haul in a while, so I'm just gonna do like a mini haul of the stuff that I got. We have a bag from Target, we have a bag from Anthropologie, a bag from Zara, and then one little PR box from Rare Beauty. And I thought I'd just open the PR box on here too because why not? I got it the other day and I want to show you guys what's inside. So let's actually start with the Rare one because it is the smallest one and it's already open. I got sent Selena's new mascara and her eyeshadow stick. I am so super excited to try these. I heard nothing but good things about the mascara. I already opened this so I know, but the eyeshadow stick is like this pretty gold champagne color, which I use a lot, so I'm very excited to try this out. So thank you so much, Rare. I can't believe you guys sent me stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna do this Target bag. I just picked up a couple of like everyday clothes, like comfy clothes, stuff that I could just wear around the house. So the first thing that I see is just, this looks kind of crazy, but it's this romper like onesie that you sleep in. I thought it was so cute. On like the mannequin, it was like a mint green, but they had this like black and silver sparkle one, which I thought was really cute. It's so soft, so I'm very excited to sleep in this. The next thing I got was just this like layering piece. It's also great for like the gym too. It's just this like onesie. I would say this is like legging material, kind of like spandex, and it just has the spaghetti straps. Like this is really cute to work out in with like a sweatshirt over it for the winter, or just wear like underneath stuff as like a layering piece. The next thing that I got are these really soft pajama pants. I literally wish you guys can feel these. I have never felt pants this soft. I feel like I never have enough pair of pajamas, so I'm always looking for like comfy pajama clothes. And the last clothing item from Target that I picked up was just this little, again, like another workout piece. This is just a little jacket, solid white. It's supposed to be like those tight fitting, almost like Lululemon type jackets. I have one from Gilly Hicks, one from Amazon, and then this one, and I really like these at the gym too. I've been trying to get back into my gym grind, so hopefully getting new clothes will motivate me even more to go. And then I just picked up a couple of random things, like I needed more Panoxyl, I got this candle, and then you guys don't care about this, but dog treats for Finley. And then these two little things that were on the clearance section that you put on your windows. I thought these would be really cute for when I decorate my room. So that was it from Target. Then from the mall, I only got one thing from Anthropologie, but I'm super, super excited. So this bag, I feel like it doesn't look like much. It was not cheap, but I think it's so cute, and it's black. It obviously matches with everything. You can wear it as a clutch. It comes with a gold strap too that you can also attach, or just use this little black strap. You can wear it like this, or again, hold it like a clutch. I just thought it was so cute. It reminds me of the Bottega bags, and I'm so excited to switch everything from my Longchamp bag to put in here. I just think it's like so cute for every day. You can dress it up, dress it down. I don't know, I really liked it. I like fell in love with it, so I'm super happy about this purchase. And then the last place that I stopped in and got something at was Zara. My favorite thing that I got from Zara is this leather jacket. It was the last one that I found there, and it was in my size, and I have never picked up something and put it in my cart faster. I am so excited to wear this. I feel like you guys can't really see it that well, but it's just like this crop jacket. It's like a black, but almost has like a hint of green to it. I love the pockets and the details on the arms. It has like a really nice zipper to it, and I'm just super excited to style this. I can't wait to see what I pair with it. Then I just picked up this plain navy t-shirt. It kind of reminds me of like the Skims material. I have a couple of Skims tops that I love, but I figured I don't have a navy one, and I saw this, so I was like, why not? I think this is like my 5th pair of sweatpants that look like this, but these are my favorite type of sweatpants. I don't know what color you would call this, like a white heathered gray. They match with everything. They're super comfortable for around the house. Again, I do school from online, so most of the time I am in sweatpants with no makeup on. So those definitely will come in handy. And the last little thing that I got from Zara was just this plain blue-gray ribbed shirt. This is just like really cute to wear again every day as a layering piece underneath stuff, as just like a lounge shirt. And that is my little haul. I'm going to just put everything away and probably just chill for a little bit. I have some computer work to do and some schoolwork to do, so I'm probably going to do that. But I will talk to you guys in a little while. I think we're going to bake this like cinnamon strudel thing later, which I'm very excited about because it's been in my pantry for like the last week. I got it at Trader Joe's and I've been wanting to bake it. So I think we're gonna do that. We're probably just gonna have like a chill, cozy night. And yeah, I will update you guys in a little bit.
Wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You my appetite.